How to fix the cannot log into battle.net error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix the cannot log in into battle.net error. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Method 1. Change DNS setting. You have to first open the control panel. Simply with the help of the search box, you can type in control panel and you can open it. Now you have to go to the Network and Sharing Center. You can simply expand this as well. Now click on Change Adapter Settings at top left corner of the screen. Now you can set DNS manually. For that you have to right click your internet adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol, version 6 or version 4 as well. And you have to click the Properties option. You have to use the following DNS server address and enter. For preferred DNS server, you have to click on the box and type in 8.8.8.8. And for alternate DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4 and now click on OK button, and then you have to close the windows. Once you have done that, method 2, you can easily use command prompts to reset network as well. But if you don't want to use the command, you can restart your modem and reopen battle.net as well. So simply what you need to do that is you have to power off your modem, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Then you have to relaunch the battle.net application and check if the issue is resolved or not. You can even change the battle.net region as well, or you can end battle.net background processes. Lastly, what you can do is you can restart your computer. So following this all the steps, your issue will be resolved. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.